Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thunder's YouTube Garage. I'm Paul. My friends call me Thunder, and you can too. Today, I'm going to be working on the Jeep again. I will be working on getting the toolbox, the underseat toolbox out of the Jeep, and then just a few odds and ends. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to get done today, but I will be working on that. So let's go ahead and get started. Joe, to move that lid, climb in here and try to pull up on this side a little bit.
You want me to rip it off?
Well, yeah, if we can. There's still a spot weld or something holding it here. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I'm trying to pick up on that side. Let me watch it. So I got nothing's loose.
It looks like something down here. I got another one right there. Right next to that one. Right on the wall.
Hey, you just about got it. I know. There. Careful. I don't want to ruin it because I need to put it back here. Okay, I got the toolbox finally taken out of this. Had to cut the spot welds on it. I couldn't get to the spot welds up underneath this side very easy. I just couldn't get a drill in there at the angle, so I actually had to drill them out from the outside. It wasn't ideal, it wasn't what I had intended to do, but it's the only way I could get to them to get that toolbox out, and I figured that I already have 100 holes to fill in on this to weld them in. What's 5 or 6 more? So I just drilled them out, but I'm glad to have that out of there. I need to clean up underneath it. Okay, so I got some of the parts in here that I need to start working on. These 2 items here, these are the front fenders that I'm going to put on this Jeep. And you know, before some of you are going to notice that this is a 65 Jeep, and it didn't actually have fenders with the cutouts for the lights and on the side in 65. I think they came out in about 68 or 69. Anyway, the original fenders that came with this Jeep were just kind of hammered and rusted out, and I found these fenders on a local classified. The guy that had them sandblasted, and then he decided not to use them. One of them is in actually really good shape, but the other one, I don't know if you can see right up in here, it's really pitted back in there, and I don't know, see if I can, I don't know, you might be able to see, but there's actually a gap down through there, and when I turn it over, you can see that back panel is rusted out, and you can, well, trust me, if you look, you can see daylight through there. So I actually want to repair that portion of it. In order to repair it, I need to, there's an outer cover here. You can kind of see the border of it goes around here, kind of fits up top there and comes around the back. So that is an outside overlay panel, and I need to take that panel off, and then where there's a seam right up here, there's another panel that spot welds in there. This outer one is actually in pretty good shape, but I'm going to have to drill through it to cut spot welds, especially right up here on this other panel. And so I went ahead and I ordered a new piece to fit over there that I'll spot weld in. I also ordered the inner piece right here, but those of you that have a keen eye, you're going to notice that they sent me the wrong side. They sent it for the driver's side fender instead of the passenger side fender. So I contacted them, and I first looked at the invoice to make sure that I wasn't the doughhead that ordered it wrong, because that's been known to happen before. And anyway, but no, they shipped it wrong. So anyway, I'm waiting on that part. The toolbox, which is, sorry, I've got a whole bunch of crap piled up in here, and I'm going to do some repairs on that. We'll be putting that back in here in the coming days. So that's going to do it for me today. If you like what you see, consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, remember to love God and to love your neighbor. I believe that is the key to happiness in this life. And with that, I'll leave you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.